Today we've had our PERI Thailand 2023 Customer Open Day, and the day has been all about showing our customers not only our new products but also to understand their needs and how we can benefit them in the future. So today we've taken our customers around the warehouse, our new location, and we've also had chance to show them Handset Alpha, our wall formwork product, Alpha Deck, our new slab product, PS100, our new shoring system, and other products such as GridFlex and Duo.
Today we had another great event, open day here in Thailand for PERI with our customers. Like 200 people came. We also had students. We had, in addition, service providers, our own team. We showed them new products. We were showing them our new warehouse, great yard, a lot of space, a lot of new products. Everyone was happy and excited. We spent from morning to the late afternoon. Great entertainment, many good talks. We would like to have that many more times in future. We had it last year in a smaller event, this time much larger. Next year it will be even better, even larger than this year. So, see you again, at least in the next year's Open Day event of PERI. Thank you very much.